Hey, so what's going on, you guys? I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna go pick up a specific BMW from the auction that I purchased. It's like 4 hours away, so I got my boy Colin with me today. I'm at his house now waiting for him. I just picked up a U-Haul trailer. I have to get me a trailer because I'm using this U-Haul trailer too much, so for these projects. So I got a specific BMW. It's not just any BMW, it's a special edition. If you guys could guess what kind of BMW, is it E46 BMW? To my BMW guys that know the chassis numbers, just guess what you think it is in the comments below. Comment below. Try to get this video to 100 likes for me. I've been trying to get one of my videos to at least 100 likes. So just smash that like button and let's see if we can get to 100 likes. Besides that, we're just going to pick up this BMW today. Hopefully we make it in time and everything goes smoothly. That's about it. So we're going to head there in a little bit. See you guys there.
Hot boy.
Made it. Oh, I should go to the truck. Where's it go? I don't know. I guess I would just go ahead and park the car. So this is it. We made it, guys, to Boston. These are all different. Like they always like a lot of the Coparts. Like you park out here, like in a parking lot. Oh, yeah. You don't even go inside. Like Atlanta was just like this. I guess they kept those right there. There's people there.
Whole culture. That's the one we saw on the highway.
Oh, for real? Oh, that is. Straighten it out right here. Alright, let me go inside and pay. So, alright guys, I'm gonna go inside and pay for it, and I know Colin wanna stretch his legs.
Hell yeah.
So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna pay for this car, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Peace. So this is the beauty. Let me see if it starts. Nah, I don't got no power. No power.
I can get you a jump pack, right?
You can give me a jump pack? And I'll drive it on. So he's gonna give me a jump pack because I can see it has no power. It looks like a college, New York residence, Bronxville, overnight parking. So you guys tell me what you think this is. Some rust right there. Some Pirelli tires on there. Nice Pirelli. It looks, this sand reminds me like a beach, like I'm picking this car up from the beach or something, right? That tire's a little damage right here in the front bumper. He said he's gonna give me a jump pack, but he said he could have picked it up and put it there, but I'm like, I'd rather just have it jump so we can hear it. Looks good, word, but it got a little rust on that side, a little rust. So look at that, man. Look at these seats. Look at these seats. A little rough right here, but the wheels are a little rough too. M Sport wheel. Alcantara.
Black hue trim, okay?
Black hue trim, okay.
Oh, this is
Nice seats. Look at the seats in this thing. Look at the back. The back is really like good condition.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you can tell by the Alcantara.
Nobody's been sitting there.
Nobody's been sitting there, right? The roof is nice, Alcantara. Say it with me, guys. Alcantara. Say it with me, Alcantara. Everything.
Yeah, you got the iPod. You got
Oh, we got the good retro gen iPad, iPod charger. Got the Alcantara roof. Got the cube trim. It looks good, right? Got the little speakers and the little
burnout.
Oh, slow down. He talking about burnouts. Hold on, slow down, buddy. Slow it down. This guy's talking about some burnouts. Smooth seats. So yeah, this is a ZHP BMW. If you guys don't know, this is like a budget M basically. Diffuser on the back. And just a whole bunch of stuff like M Sport rims, Alcantara Sport steering wheel. Got the key? Key? Oh, he's checking the trunk.
Anything in the trunk is
yeah, this is what, like, what anything in the trunk it says. We got to check. This is what BMW guys do, though. We got to check the tools. If we got the tools, then wow.
Okay.
I said wow.
So we can jump. Watch out.
All right, close this back. Now let's see if it starts up. Got the big jump pack.
No.
To the rescue.
That thing is huge.
Yeah, that thing is huge.
There you go.
Yeah, start it up. Yeah, I want you to do the honors. Let Colin do the honors. He can drive it on the trailer. See how it sounds. Wow, quiet. It starts right up. All right, let's get it on the trailer. You probably could pull it off. Yeah. You want to pull it off?
Leave it on there if you want to.
We can take it home?
Definitely not.
Definitely not. That's a nice jump pack, man.
Yeah.
Nah, thanks for the jump though. Let me put these straps down. Beautiful car. Yeah, drive it up. It's quiet. Straight. This way. Wait. A little more. A little more. That's good. Perfect. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to drop these down. Hold on. We went to roll the window up real fast. Roll it up.
Definitely don't want to leave that down.
Yeah, thank you.
You never know around here where it's stuck born.
Okay. Yeah, we good. Leave it in there. Just gotta strap the wheels up. And got it? Tight. Yeah, you muscle man. Alright, so we off. Let's go. We out of here. We got it. Let's get out of here. Everything is good. Let's head home. Happy with it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Don't worry. Yours is next. So we're headed back to New York from Boston. We picked it up and it's so far so good. We're about to go get some food and see you guys on the way back.
Sleeping.
So we just arrived at the shop. It's been a long few hours, but now me and my boy Colin is here. We checking out the ZHP now. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna probably clean it off and I'm gonna show you guys the rest. Got Colin over here chilling. He look like he's tired. Let me show you the car. We got it going. Got the U-Haul trailer. Shout out to U-Haul. Got the ZHP. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I didn't get to do an outro, so I'm doing the outro now. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and continue to like, subscribe, comment below. Appreciate you guys. Peace.